Macintosh SE, dated from 1989, and I believe it was boxed up in 1997 when my dad moved. And here's the old keyboard. And the old one-button mouse there. And what's powering it is the MacBottom. I believe it was a 20 megabyte or 10 megabyte, I forget. But now I'm going to try to turn it on. I'm going to go in the back. And here's the back side here. And the power switch. I'm going to turn on MacBottom first. And should be able to hear and now to turn on the computer itself. Let's see here, there's the switch. Okay, the MacBottom's running. This is the first time and it looks like it's running fine. My goodness. Oh my goodness. There's all kinds of stuff on here. 20 megabyte drive there. All kinds of old files there. And let's see here. The trackball the mouse ball hasn't been cleaned in a while. So, alarm clock, file, show clipboard, view, special. So, yep, this is a good working computer. Oh, that's funny, alarm clock, 9:49 a.m. Oop, that's way off anyway. So I exit out of that. Quite interesting. So let's see here. I've forgotten how to exit out of the windows. So yeah, this is the first time it's been run in years. Oh, this is funny. System clipboard. Now if I were to hit system here, application cannot be found. Interesting. Scrapbook, clipboard, image writer. There's an image writer printer, but it's been outside for years. So click out a system folder, click out a sample document, click on the hard drive, and I had an old Quick Basic on there. Let's see if it works. I've forgotten how to open up the... Okay, here it goes. Quite interesting stuff. So I had like Quick Basic on here and all kinds of neat stuff. And wow, quite interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna sign off. This is what it sounds like. I thought it was a lot louder than that, but it's the fan sound. Anyway, I'm running Quick Basic here, and let's see what happens here. Anyway, when I was running my computer, I noticed that the screen is a little shrunken. But I'm going to try to hit run right over there. Run program. There it is. Counting up, counted up to 100. And quite interesting. So here's my old computer running really good. Except for the screen. Yep. And one thing I was going to say was that this Mac SE has 2 drives. Too bad I don't have another person to hold my camera here. But I'm going to go up to run there. And see, run program. I'll let go of the mouse. There it is. The X on the left and X times X on the right. So yeah, this is a cool computer. And if I take the mouse, okay, yep, the dirty mouse here. But go to quit and say yes. Save it as junk, and then I go save. I don't even have the clock set on this thing, since with this video right here, it's the first time I ever ran the computer. And then file. So to shut down, let's see, now I remember, hit special, then I go down to shut down, and here it's going shut down here. You may switch off your Macintosh safely. I guess it's shutting down. Let's see here. Oh, okay, yep. All I have to do is hit the power switch right here. And then turn off the MacBottom. Okay, yeah, this was the back side of the Macintosh SE here. 1 megabyte RAM, 2 800K drives. Made in the USA. What? So, okay, I'm gonna shut off the hard drive. And that ends the video.